Wawa Billy for the account.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are keeping well and you all are keeping safe. So guys, in today's video I want to unbox an amazing product with you, which is called Ttdeye. It's a contact lens. It's a company that reached out to me and they sent me a package, and also I want to show you guys, and I hope you guys are happy and excited to see this product I'm going to be showing you guys. So if this is your first time of coming across this amazing channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Patient, known as a Yahoo Ola. Please, if you love what you see on my channel, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification so you'll be the first person to know when I upload a new video. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you all so much for keep supporting me. I really appreciate you all, and may God bless you all for me. Amen. So guys, let's just jump right into the unboxing. So guys, here is the amazing product I was telling you guys about. You can see Ttdeye contact lens, and as you all can see, I've not opened it yet. I've just opened it from this pack here, and this is how it look. So I'm gonna be opening this box with you guys now. So this is how it look on the inside. This is how it look on inside, and here is hello card, and this is what they write on the back of the card. And also I think this is a sticker as well, and I think this is a little mirror, a hand mirror on the inside, you can see. So, and here is how the contact lenses looks on inside. So I'm going to be showing you guys one after the other. So, and they have this little sprinkle on it. Yeah, so let's just, this is the cases where I'm going to be putting the contact lenses on. These are all the cases that I'm going to be putting the contact lenses on, and I think they have more stickers as well. Yeah, so this one is that's the first one that I'm bringing out. Let me see, this is called Tylor purple. That's the first one I'm going to be bringing out, Tylor purple, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be bringing out another one. It's called Crystal Ball Caramel Brown. Crystal Ball Caramel Brown. Can you see, guys? And this is how it look. Guys, just hold on. I'm going to be opening it with you guys. So we go through it, and then I insert it on my eyes. And this one is Crystal Ball Blue. Crystal Ball Blue. And this is how it looks as well. You all know I love contact lens. And this one is Tylor Gray, and this is how it looks. Can you guys see that? And this is it, guys. So the company sent me a 4-pack of contact lenses, so I'm gonna be putting them on my eyes, and then I give you guys my feedback on how it looks. And also I have a discount code if you guys want to purchase this contact lens as well. I'm going to be putting every link to this contact lens in my description box. So guys, you guys just try and check them out, and they have an amazing product. So I'm just going to wash my hands, and I'll be right back, and then we insert the lenses, because you have to make sure your hands are clean. So guys, this is the Tylor Gray, the one I opened just now. So I'm just going to insert it into my eyes, and let's see how it looks on my eyes. So guys, because it's been long that I put in contact lens, so I'm just going to allow it to settle for a while. I'm just going to be massaging the top of my eyelid so it can settle for a while. Yeah, This high look, guys, is actually cool. It's nice. I love this Tylor gray. Isn't it nice, guys? You see, isn't it nice? You can see the difference between my right eye and my left eye. You see that? I so much love this gray color. This Tylor gray, guys, it looks so cool. My eyes is always teary whenever I put in lenses, so I so much love this gray, guys. You see, can you guys see it boldly? Let's move over to the next one. Let's do this quickly and we're done with it. All right, so guys, I want to take this out. I've not tried this before. It's not working for me, no, so I'm just going to use my hand to take it out. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll be using the crystal ball blue now. I'm going to be inserting the crystal ball blue. I'm not going to open the two, I'm just going to be opening one. So I'm going to be putting this one on the side. So I'm going to be using my hand. Oh, I'm so loving the colors. They are so amazing, amazing, amazing colors. Wow. So I'm always trying to massage it a bit so it can settle in. You guys see that? Wow, this color is so amazing, guys. This is so cool. Guys, can you see that? Guys, can you see the difference from here to here? Can you guys see? Wait, guys, let me just show you closely. Let me show you closely. Can you see? Wow, I love how soft these lenses are. This is really amazing. I've tried so other lenses before, but this one is amazing. It's beautiful. It is soft and it's easy to put in, like it's easy to insert on your eyes. You see the blue eyes. I've always loved blue eyes. Like, I don't know why I don't have blue eyes. This is really nice, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm just going to take it out and then we go over to the next one, because remember we have 4 to unbox with you guys. The Tylor gray, and also I've opened the crystal ball blue for you guys. So we have 2 more to go. So I'm going to be opening this Tylor purple with you guys for you. Everything that I'm opening here today, I'm going to be putting the link in the description bar, and I also have a discount code. I'm going to be putting it on the screen and also in the description bar, so you guys can check them out. They're amazing company and they have an amazing product. Wow, guys, this is really nice. Put in the Tylor purple. Guys, wow, I love this. Oh my god, I really love this Tylor purple. It's really nice. It's really amazing, guys. Did you guys see? Did you guys see how it looks on my eyes? It's so soft and so calm and very easy to put in the eye. Like, can you guys see how I just put it in so straight and there's no struggle or something like that? It's just so amazing. I really love this. Wow, I love the calmness of this Tylor purple. I love the calmness of this one. It's so calm and amazing. And it looks so natural, guys. Did you guys see that? It looks so natural. So natural. Wow. If I'm far away, they won't really see the difference. Like, you can see the difference. Let me cover the side and you see how it looks. There's nothing on this side. And let me cover the side and you guys see. Wow, guys, this is so amazing. I really love this look. Okay, guys, let's move over to the next one. and it's easy to take out as well. So guys, we're going to be unboxing the last but not the least of this unboxing video today, and the one I'm going to be unboxing is called Crystal Ball Caramel Brown. I showed you guys earlier on Crystal Ball Caramel Brown. Can you guys see that? So this is what I'm going to be unboxing now. I'm just going to open it and take one out, and then I'll insert it on this side of the eye. So I don't want to put too much pressure on one side, so that's why I'm rotating it, putting one on this side and the other one on the other side. So I hope you guys understand. Wow, guys, look at this. Can you guys see? It's so beautiful. The colors are they're so calm and they're so beautiful. Like, I don't know, there's not much difference. Like, can you guys see? There's not much difference. This one is the Crystal Ball Caramel Brown, and it really looks so nice. It looks so nice. It looks so beautiful, guys. You see that? And you see on this side, that's my natural, and this is the contact lens, and it's so amazing. It's so nice, guys. It's really nice. It's really nice. Wow, that's all I can say. So guys, you guys can also choose the color that suits me more, or the color that you guys like more, between the 4 colors that I have. So you guys should let me know the one that you like more. And this is so beautiful. I've used other contact lenses before, but I've not used this particular one. This is so amazing. Thank you, Ttdeye. I really love your contact lenses. They are super soft, and I love the way you packaged it, and I love the way you put this hand mirror. It's so handy. It's really, I love your amazing product. It's really beautiful. Like, this one, it is so cool, and even go with my skin, guys. It even go with my skin. Wow, I just imagine how it's going to look when I put on my makeup on my face. Wow, it's going to come out so beautiful, more beautiful and more brilliant. I love the color that I picked. The colors are so amazing and beautiful. Thank you, Ttdeye. And my honest review about this product, they are beautiful and very soft and very easy to insert into the eyes. I love this amazing product. That is my honest review, guys. I really love all the product. I love everything about this contact lenses, and I hope you guys are going to click on the link in the description box to go and check them out, because they have an amazing and beautiful soft contact lenses. So I'm going to be using my discount code. I'm going to put it on the screen and also in the description bar, and also I'm going to be linking all the contact lenses that I use, the name and everything. I'm going to be putting them in the description box as well. So if this is your first time of coming across this amazing channel, you are highly welcome. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so you'll be the first person to know whenever I upload a new videos. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you all so much for watching this video in this time. I really appreciate you all, and may God bless you all for me. Amen. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all. Bye.
7 o'clock, oh my.